Language Foundations Vocabulary Flashcards, helping you achieve understanding.
The cultivation of plants. The cultivation of plants. The practice of cultivating the land or raising stock. The federal department that administers programs that provide services to farmers, including research in soil conservation and efforts to stabilize the farming economy, created in 1862. A large-scale farming enterprise. The class of people engaged in growing food. The practice of cultivating the land or raising stock. Relating to farming or agriculture. Farming communities. Agriculture considered as an occupation or way of life. Farming as a strenuous life. The practice of cultivating the land or raising stock. Working as a landscape gardener. A garden laid out for aesthetic effect. They spent a great deal of money on the landscaping. The growing of vegetables or flowers for market. Working as a landscape gardener. The cultivation of flowering plants. The cultivation of flowering plants. A genre of art dealing with the depiction of natural scenery. An expanse of scenery that can be seen in a single view. An extensive mental viewpoint. The political landscape looks bleak without a change of administration. Do landscape gardening. My son's landscapes for corporations and earns a good living. Embellish with plants. Let's landscape the yard. Painting depicting an expanse of natural scenery. A plot of ground where plants are cultivated. A yard or lawn adjoining a house. The flowers or vegetables or fruits or herbs that are cultivated in a garden. The usual or familiar type. It is a common or garden sparrow. Work in the garden. My hobby is gardening.
Become our student and get access to effective and free educational materials. Subscribe to our YouTube channel to become a part of our growing YouTube community and to learn English effectively.